Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you a house that we toured in Jacksonville. I fell in love with this house. That brick fireplace was so beautiful to me. So when we were living in Jacksonville, Florida, we almost bought this house. It was so close. We were almost about to put the money down and just do it. But some things happened and we didn't move to Florida after all. Obviously, we're still in Texas, which we're glad about because we love our Texas. But I wanted to show you guys what this house looked like. So looking at this house with all the teal, just imagine the doors being black and the shutters being cedar. That was my dream for this. I was so excited. I had everything picked out. Oh, I love this house so much. So let's walk on in and look at this beauty. So the only thing that I didn't like about this house was the foyer. There was none. As soon as you walked in, you walked into the dining room and it was just a big space, which I do love an open concept, but I love a foyer and I love a grand staircase. So the kitchen was beautiful. I loved all the white cabinets. I loved the backsplash. I loved everything about the kitchen. I do love an open concept, but other than the foyer, that's the only thing that I didn't like about this house. Everything else was so beautiful and it was designed so beautifully. So this house was it's just a dream. So walking up the stairs with the brick wall and the beautiful wood staircase, I was just in love. There was so much character in this house that I loved, and it was just really, really pretty, guys. I cannot say this enough. This house literally made us move from Texas. That's how much I love this house because you guys know I love Texas. So going this way, there's this really cool little movie space and also a nice little area where you can put snacks, and I love this little movie room. I thought it would be so perfect. So my favorite part of this house was the balcony, which is crazy because we have a balcony now, but there was something about this balcony that I just loved so much, and I just fell in love with it. So like I said, the teal would be a cedar shutter, so I was so excited for that. It would have looked so beautiful. There's Daryl really contemplating crunching numbers. That's probably what he's doing. He's crunching numbers. And this area right here, I loved. It was kind of awkward with the furniture, but I already knew that I would place a huge Christmas tree right in the middle during Christmas time. That's the first thing I thought about, was I would either put a table with a Christmas tree on top of that or just a huge Christmas tree. I love that. So here are a couple of rooms. I didn't really do a lot of recording in the rooms because it was just basic rooms. And but it was a really large house. It was a 4-bedroom house and I loved it. Oh, I think about this house all the time. I honestly think our next house after this house that we live in right now, we're just going to design it ourselves and build our own. That way we can build it exactly how we want. So this is the master bedroom. I was so excited when I saw that their bed was exactly like our bed. I immediately was like, this is God telling us that we need this house. This is so meant to be because our bed will fit perfectly. Guys. This bathroom was so freaking stunning in person. I feel like it's not even being captured here, but the wood beams, oh my gosh. Daryl and I were just like astonished at how beautiful this bathroom was. We fell in love with it. This is honestly what sold us on the house, and I love that it had a shower and it had a bathtub and it was just so pretty. I loved it so much. And just of course a linen closet, the regular closet, stuff like that. But this bathroom was beautiful. I was in love with the whole design of it. It was just gorgeous. So like I said earlier, this house has a lot of cute little touches. The marble backsplash, the shiplap walls, the brick walls. It had so much character. And going to the backyard patio was massive. I loved it. It was so cute. And the backyard was not too small because we don't really like a big yard. I loved that the garage was detached. I've always wanted a little walkway like this. So when I saw that, I thought that would be so cute. And this house was so pretty, guys. I cannot wait till we buy some land and design our own house because Daryl and I will have so much fun with that. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this tour and got some inspiration. I know I got a lot of inspiration from this house. So that's all for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys so much, and I will see y'all in my next video. Bye, guys.